When it comes to your toughest cleaning challenges, you need a partner with experience, knowledge, and expertise. A partner who sells you product, but most importantly, an organization that is invested in your residents' health, safety, and well-being. A team of loyal individuals who will work collaboratively with you to help you enjoy efficiencies and support to benefit you in your role, understand your needs and challenges, while genuinely caring for you and your residents, and provide the support you need and experienced insight on how to best tackle them. Let's face it, your daily schedule pulls you in 1,000 different directions, and we understand that. Any time you have invested with a partner needs to be meaningful and productive. We understand that too. We like to call our approach collaborative insight. We know your problems, understand them, and will make recommendations to help you solve them. It's why we call ourselves experts in complete cleaning solutions. Having a partner come to the table with cleaning solutions is critical to managing your day-to-day needs. For example, you can obtain on-site training without someone having to be on-site. Our team of experts will provide you training and leave you with the necessary charts and documents for accessing 24/7, 365 as a reference versus showing you and leaving you to perform or even train others with nothing or very little to reference. Whether your toughest cleaning challenge is dishwashing and laundry, an infection outbreak, or resident slip and fall risks, our team will work with you to determine the best course of action and effectively help you implement it efficiently. It's essential to choose a partner that reflects and complements the same values as your organization. Being more than a vendor, you should have a partner that understands you, as this goes a long way to helping solve your day-to-day challenges. Our experience with other facilities the same as yours has helped us develop the expertise and knowledge we proudly possess. We know and understand your everyday challenges and can help create a culture and welcoming environment that starts with clean and is suited around best practices and continuous improvement. Being able to draw on this expertise goes a long way to helping you manage your facility and residences and employees' health and safety. Like many organizations, we are proud of our Canadian heritage, founding in 1956, and ownership. People are at the heart of our business, and being family-owned fosters our culture of loyalty and commitment. We pride ourselves on driving this culture into our customer partners as well. Whether you need a partner with locations across the country or just one down the street, we have you covered. Your local is our local. With locations coast to coast, Clean is always close to home. Dependable local service in your area provides leading-edge products, expertise, and training where you need it and when you need it. In today's ever-changing world, one area we are confident we can lighten your load is in your kitchen and laundry processes. Let's face it, more than ever, you and the residents of your facility expect clean, healthy, and safe environments. Our experts are specialists in these areas and will work with you to improve operational efficiencies, ensure your process meets food safety standards, and help you reduce waste resources. This is done through proper training, visual charts, and instructions to display as an easy reference. Experience these tools combined with formulated solutions and efficient cleaning processes that include your equipment's appropriate use are vital in improving your operational efficiencies and decreasing your water and energy consumption. We are experienced and know what the health and safety inspectors look for. 3 separate sink methods provide the proper cleaning, rinsing, and sanitizing procedure when hand washing and sanitizing wares. Installation of chemical dilution control units will dispense the correct amount according to health and safety standards, ensuring your operation is compliant. Your residents deserve the best. Having clean wares and laundry will help ensure the health, safety, and well-being of them. You and your employees will also have health and safety benefits and efficiencies. This will all be achieved with the support that benefits you from working with a trusted partner and our expertise. Simple, immediate actions to improve health and safety are implementing the right size and right weight of the solution for your employees to handle. Smaller pack sizes and no-touch contact caps help to reduce employee lifting injuries and chemical exposure. Like all healthcare facilities, we also know the health and safety of your employees and residents is the #1 priority. It is no surprise your residents are vulnerable to slipping and falling. Using a simple, cost-effective program can help reduce the risk of slip and fall, provide effective clean results, and prolong the life of your current floor care program. The use of a high-quality solution with superior detergency will safely deep clean floors without leaving the film as other typical restoring cleaners do. It instantly improves the coefficient of friction, improving the slip resistance, and helps reduce the risk of slip and fall. Your residents' safety and well-being include clean, safe floors, and this is another added risk you can cross off your list when you choose Swish as your solution partner. We also provide informative training on real issues and on demand relative to various topics in real time. Another area you will benefit from choosing Swish as your partner is our expertise in chemical vessel carts. Custom outfitted to meet the needs of your cleaning and disinfecting protocol in healthcare facilities, this storage device provides centralizing all the solutions and tools necessary for safe and effective room disinfection. No added trips back and forth retrieving the solution and tools needed saves time, money, and increases productivity, allowing other tasks to be performed. Expertise and problem solving shouldn't stop at the solution stage. Implementation is just as, if not a more critical way of getting the job done. You need to ensure your team is educated on how cleaning products are used. It's our job to ensure that products are used safely and correctly. With a professional training team, we are confident the tools and knowledge to do the job right the first time are in place. Swish is committed to healthcare. Developing and implementing solutions specific to your requirements is our specialty. Our expertise provides the training, tools, solutions, and support that finds efficiencies within your environment to save you time, money, and residents' well-being. Feeling taken care of, a welcoming environment, and happiness all starts with clean. You can focus on what's important, and so can others in your facility. Leave clean to us.